Hello everyone and welcome to another video about AuditOne. In this video we're going to explore how to bridge your audit tokens from IOTA to Sonic and also how to purchase audit tokens on Sonic through Metropolis DEX. So since this video is specifically focused on these two topics, I'm not going to get into the details of our tokens and its utilities. We've already done a video on that, and if you want to learn more about that, click on the link above or on the link in the description. And also, there have been a lot of questions that you guys have been asking us on Discord and on X. I'll make sure to answer all of your questions in this video. But if I miss anything, feel free to leave a comment and we're always there for you and we will answer your questions. So, without further ado, let's jump into it and see how to bridge from IOTA to Sonic. Alright, so in order to start the bridging process, you would need to come to AuditOne's website, and then from here, click on Services, where you would find our Bridge Audit Token service. After clicking on that, you would need to connect your wallet. I've already done so and I'm using MetaMask for this. So I have 20 audit tokens. Let's say I want to bridge all 20 from IOTA to Sonic. I'm going to click on transfer, and then I would need to approve the transaction, and keep in mind you would need to have some IOTA in your wallet for the gas fees. After approving the transaction, you would need to wait a bit and you would need to reconfirm the transaction fee. And there we go. Bridging transaction successful. So now when I open my MetaMask and I see my IOTA portfolio, here you can see that I have 0 audit tokens, but if I go to Sonic, my audits are in Sonic now. So that's it for the bridge. Okay, so now you know how to bridge your audit tokens from IOTA to Sonic. Now, let's say you have some Sonic and you want to buy our token on the ecosystem itself and you don't want to bridge. For this, we use Metropolis DEX. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so before I jump into Metropolis and show you guys how to swap some Sonic for audit tokens, I want to answer one question that some users have been asking. And that is, why do we have audit token on 2 different chains with 2 different market caps? So the first part of the question, of course, more chains means more utility, more use cases, more users, more activity. And the second part about the market cap, so this is not the actual market cap, this is only the market cap of the bridged tokens to Sonic. So the actual market cap is a combination of IOTA, which is 4 million, and also the bridge tokens. So one easy way to access Metropolis is coming to DEX screener, searching for audit token and finding it, and then clicking on trade on Metropolis. And then you would click on open a new window. Alright, so here I have 5 Sonic tokens at the moment. Let's say I want to swap 3 of those for some audit tokens. I'm going to put that and I'm going to click on trade, and then I would need to confirm the transaction on my wallet. Confirm, and there we go. Easy as that. So that's it also for Metropolis and how to trade your Sonic for audit tokens. Alright, so now we know how to bridge audit tokens from IOTA to Sonic, and also how to purchase audit on Sonic itself. That covers it for this video, and thanks again for sticking around until the end of it. If there are any questions that are left unanswered, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and we'll be there for you. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.